Okay, so now that we have uploaded our website to the web, it is time to test it out how well it is optimized for SEO and performance. In order to do that, we need to go in our Google Chrome and right-click on our page and try to inspect it. Here, there's an industry standard audit. We're going to use the so-called Lighthouse metrics to run an audit to see what are the best performances, what are the best practices to boost our performance, accessibility, SEO, etc. So let's go ahead and run our audit here. So this is going to test our website to a mobile device, and it's going to test it how well it performs. Okay, so here we have a 99 performance, 66 accessibility, which we are going to talk about how we can improve. We have the 100 score of best practices, and we have 100 score of our SEO. So now let's go ahead and see what are the suggestions of our website. In order to improve accessibility, we need to improve our contrast of our buttons and our let's see, yes, we need to improve the contrast of our buttons and of our footer as well. Okay, if you want to learn more about accessibility and why it is hard for people to read that text, and the Lighthouse metric says that it's not okay for us to use that, you can go in this link, clicking over here, and check out which colors are better for your performance score here in this website. So what I have found out is that whenever we use button with warning, it's going to use the color of yellow, which is this one, and it's going to use black color. So if we check it here with the yellow color and a black text, we are going to pass our test over here. So basically we need to improve the contrast of the most important parts of our document here. So we need to also improve our text on the bottom in the footer, and we also need to change our text here in our menus. However, first we need to see how we can continuously deploy our application and how to use webhooks. So in the next lecture, I'm going to show you how you can use webhooks, so whenever you upload your GitHub project on GitHub, it's going to automatically be run a build on your Netlify server. So see you in the next lecture.